Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS version because features differ. Once done, check storage and battery optimization. Go to Settings, right arrow, display right arrow wallpapers, and enable live wallpaper permissions, then pick the source, built-in gallery, a live wallpaper app, or a video you'll convert. You should also allow the app to run in background and grant media access. This prevents wallpapers from restarting or appearing static. Finally, open the chosen app or gallery and locate the live app. Next, you convert or install the live asset. If using a video, trim to a few seconds and export at 1080p, 1530 fps, looped. This balances smoothness versus battery drain. Use a trusted live wallpaper app to import the file. Make sure you permit overlay and auto start so the wallpaper stays active. Once imported, preview and adjust scale, crop, and audio settings if available. If you picked a dynamic or built-in live, configure motion sensitivity. This reduces lag and preserves battery when you're done. Finally, apply the wallpaper to home, lock, or both, and confirm the preview looks right. You want correct crop and motion. Make sure battery saver is off and the wallpaper app has background permissions. These commonly stop animation. If the live wallpaper stutters or won't play, clear the app cache, re-import the source file at lower resolution, and reboot. If problems persist, update your OS and the wallpaper app. This often fixes compatibility bugs, and you should test another live file to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.